Yo, how's it going? Hopefully everyone's having a good day. Okay, so this segment is called GPU mining profits as of today. Now, of course, today is November 22nd of 2020, and the price of Ethereum is $555.46. Now, last week on 11/15/2020, the price of Ethereum was $570.70. So the price of Ethereum did drop, and you do also want to consider the difficulty, and the difficulty for Ethereum is shooting right back up to where we were from our previous high. If you want a breakdown of this chart, this is of course the GPUs, and on top is the AMDs, and on the bottom is NVIDIA. What the most profitable thing to mine, and the most profitable thing to mine as of today is Ethereum. The hash rates on what you're mining, the power draw on what you're mining, the efficiency, which is basically the hash rate divided by the wattage. So this is what your profits were last week before electricity. This is what your profits were this week before electricity. Where I live in the US, I do pay about 10 cents per kilowatt hours. And this is the electricity cost that I'm paying per graphics card. And this is the profits I'm earning after electricity. And this is the percent of change. And it looks like from last week to this week, we did lose about 25% in profits. And then like I mentioned, the reason why is due to the price of Ethereum dropping a little bit. And of course, difficulty going up. Let's go ahead and go over the most popular GPUs. So starting with the 570s, 580s, you're going to get around 30 megahash, pulling around 90 watts. So as of today, before electricity, you're going to make about 89 cents. Now for the 5600 XTs, mining Ethereum, you're going to get around 41 megahashes, pulling around 110 watts. You're going to make around $1.22 before electricity. And for the 5700 XTs, mining Ethereum, you're going to get around 56 megahashes, pulling around 140 watts. So you're going to earn around $1.66 in profits before electricity. And for the 6800 XTs, mining Ethereum, you're going to get around 64 megahashes, pulling around 170 watts. So you're going to get around $1.90 per day before electricity. And then for the Radeon 7, you're going to be getting around 90 megahashes, pulling around 210 watts. So you're going to earn around $2.67 per day before electricity. And for the NVIDIA side, for the 1070s, I did adjust some of these numbers around. You're going to actually pull around 28 megahashes, pulling around 90 watts. So you're going to earn around 83 cents before electricity. And for the 1080 Ti's, you're going to get around 48 megahashes, pulling around 180 watts. So you're going to earn around $1.42 before electricity. And for the 2080 Ti's, you're going to get around 57 megahashes, pulling around 170 watts. So you're going to earn around $1.68 before electricity. And for the RTX 3070, you're going to get around 62 megahashes, pulling around 140 watts. So you're going to earn around $1.83 before electricity. And for the RTX 3080, you're going to get around 100 megahashes, pulling around 240 watts. So you're going to earn around $2.95 before electricity. And for the RTX 3090, you're going to pull around 122 megahashes, pulling around 350 watts. So you're going to earn around $3.56 before electricity. Now, due to the price and difficulty, it looks like the profits did drop around 25%. But personally, when it comes to buying GPUs, since I do have limited electricity, I will personally go with the more efficient cards. So as of right now, I would personally get the RX 5700 XTs. But if the RTX 3070s or 3080s are available, of course, I'll be getting those cards instead. Let me know your thoughts. So last but not least, if you didn't want to check out this whole chart, if you check out my Discord, all the way on the bottom, you'll see that it'll be right here. And of course, I'll update this every week. Let's go ahead and throw some crazy commands. Let's throw a quick Goku. Oh, you saw my tweet? Nice. I didn't tweet anything. Oh, the tweet the other day. Oh, about the GPUs? I'm about to show a video. I've pretty much built all the rigs already. It's just a quick video, but just to show you. A sneak peek. And like I mentioned, they're pulling about like 56.5 megahashes. But of course, you have to BIOS mod it. And you have to do like extra BIOS modding steps. And then of course, this is the 8 GPU. So I have the Radeon 7. This is the 5600 XT. This is the 5700 XT Anniversary Edition. And these are 5 MSI 5700 XTs. And the 5700 XTs are getting about like 56.5. This is getting about 40, 41. And then the Radeon 7 is getting around 90, 91, 92. But yeah, new mining rigs, pretty cool. I'll have like a whole breakdown of it in a YouTube video coming up. I know of someone that knows someone from AMD and they stated that the 6800 XTs, like they limited the mining hash rates on purpose. AMD said that the new graphics cards were not going to be good on Ethereum mining just so gamers can get them and miners wouldn't buy them. That's what I heard, so just be aware. I understand what AMD is doing. If AMD targets the gamers and not the miners, AMD is going to get more supports from the gamers, and in the long run, AMD is going to get more money. Trust me, Lisa Su, she's a genius. She knows what she's doing. Which one you preferred after the 5700 XTs? I just recommend one with good cooling. So what I did when I bought mine, I looked at reviews. So I just looked at reviews before I bought them because I know some of them have bad cooling. I mean, they're all good. All the 5700 XTs, if you overclock BIOS mod, you're gonna get the 56.5 mega hashes. It's more of the cooling. Did you trade crypto? I do trade crypto, but I usually just trade back to Bitcoin. I'm majority a Bitcoin holder because like when I started my crypto journey, I started with a whole bunch of friends, and a whole bunch of my friends are all like Bitcoin maximalists. Like I'm not really a Bitcoin maximalist because I do hold a lot of altcoins as well, but a bunch of my friends are Bitcoin maximalists, so majority of my coins are Bitcoin. Oh, so if you're talking about day trading, I don't do any type of day trading at all. I'm just a GPU miner. When it comes to day trading or something like that, I'm just a hodler. So I just recommend people to buy and hold and just have a selling point and, sell at your selling point. And, it may take 1 year, it may take 2 years, it may take 5 years to get there, but, eventually, most likely it'll get there. Can it be profitable to start mining at all? The thing is, when it comes to GPU mining, everyone says you should have started 2 years ago. But then 2 years ago, people said you should have started 2 years ago. And then 2 years ago, prior to that, people said you should have started 2 years ago. So I'm going to say what everyone says every time. You should have started 2 years ago. But could that mean you should start now? But all I can say is it is profitable now just because we're in, the bull market. But once we hit the bear market, things could change. GPU mining, it's gambling, or it's not gambling, but it's more of like strategic gambling because, there's ways out. You're not going to lose all your money because you can always sell your hardware. It's pretty much the same thing, GPU mining or buying the coin straight up, because if the price of the coin goes up, you'll make money. If price of the coin goes up, you'll make more money from GPU mining. So it's just if you're into hardware and more of the passive income, then I think GPU mining is definitely better than just buying the coin. But if you're into like instant satisfaction and, if you don't want to put work into it, then of course buying the coin will be a lot better. All right, let me of course do out my socials real quickly now. If you do want to check out my Twitter, I want to post more pictures of my mining rigs that I built. So definitely check out my Twitter if you want to check that out. And then of course my Instagram. Dog toys are coming in. Give it maybe another month. They said they're making the product, so maybe another month dog toys will be in. It's basically this. Here's a quick sample of the dog toy. It'll be coming in soon. Last but not least, if you do need any type of help, definitely join the Discord. I or someone very knowledgeable in my Discord will definitely help you. I do have very helpful people in here as well. This is basically the best place to get me. I'll get back to you within like 12 hours. The reason why is anywhere else, I get like spams of bots, scammers, and I mean, I do get questions as well, but I try to redirect them to Discord. If you have any questions, just get me at my Discord. And just make sure when you join the Discord, because a lot of people forget this and they private message me and be like, I can't see your guides, which is fine. But just click the green check mark down here. And if you click this green check mark, everything will open up. Basically, you will have the ability to ask me questions in Discord. And all the way on the bottom, you'll see all the useful hints, tips, tricks, and guides that I have. So if you want to see everything, just make sure you click the green check mark. And then last but not least, let me bring out a surprise. So I'll be right back. Quick surprise! This is my dog! Hey! Her name is Ruby, so if you know the logo, this is it. But let me do a close-up. Bye, chat. Okay, so now let's go ahead and wrap this up. And thanks for everyone who stopped by. I had a blast. And hopefully you guys had fun as well. And I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/thelifeofaminer every Sunday, 2:30 p.m. US Eastern Time. And before I leave, let's throw some crazy effects. So let's throw some fire. Let's light this place up. And let's do a quick barrel roll. But of course, go out there, keep grinding. Life of the Miner out. There he is. Let's go. Messed up by going to open. Got him.